Binance is the most efficient platform or the most trusted platform with some features that will enable you to spot out your triangular arbitrage with less stress. So what I'm going to show you right now is not for you to actually carry out this arbitrage right now, but for you to learn how you can actually spot out this triangular arbitrage by yourself, especially when you are using Binance, because arbitrage from other platforms is actually quite a hard work to do, because they don't have a market compare, so that for you to use and compare your market and know when to enter into market and when to exit. So when it comes to Binance is actually going to show you all these things, so you know when to enter into a particular market. You can see I am on Boom USDT. If I should click on these three dots here, you are seeing yellow icon on top. You will see compare market here. I click on the compare market. You will see Boom BTC is sold at the rate of 0.0143, and while the Boom USDT on USDT here is sold at the rate of 0.0142. So you can see the big difference here. And for you to enter into the market now, so in this kind of arbitrage, you need big capital, because the percentage there is not that much. You need to use big capital like 500 USDT, 300 USDT. At times you need to consider like 200, but let's go with 500 USDT and see how much we will make from this. Let's say 500 USDT. You will have the sum of 85,117. Boom. So what you need to do is copy it, move back to compare market to actually see if the opportunity is still there. Okay, you can see there's still opportunity here. So what we need to do is to sell the Boom here. You click on copy BTC here, because the amount of Boom here you have will actually give you the sum of BTC. You now copy it. Once you copy it, you move to BTC USDT. BTC. Okay, you can see it here. So what you need to do is to paste in the amount of BTC you have. You paste in the amount of BTC you have. You can see the profit now. You can see that we have successfully made $3 out of this. So even if the fee here, I know some of you actually said you haven't talked about fee. Even if they remove the fee, it will not exceed this 6 you are seeing here, 6283. In a layman understanding, the fee will just be, it will be in the range of this. After the points here, the fee, they will charge the fee in that range, whether for seeing something, or they will charge it in this range we are seeing. So but they will not enter into your profit, they will not enter into this three we are seeing here. So this kind of arbitrage needs someone to use big capital for it, so that you'll be able to benefit from it. Okay, so as a beginner, I will advise you to jump into triangular arbitrage on Binance. It is very safe. And please, if you like this kind of update, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, so that also don't forget to turn on the notification button, so that you will be getting notified anytime I drop a video like this. Okay, thank you.